Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am going to take class on completing sentences part 1. I have written some keywords on completing sentences. Notice well: though, although, since, or, as if, as though, no sooner had than, scarcely had when or before, hardly had when or before, and lest. First, I have written 5 sentences on though or although. First one: although it was raining, I had to go there. There are 2 clauses. One clause is action clause and next one is reaction clause. I am read out. Although it was raining, I had to go there. Next, though he reads more, he cannot make a good result. This type of sentences expresses contrasting meaning. Number 3, though I called her repeatedly, she did not respond. Number 4, although they played well, they lost the game. Number 5, though the farmers work hard, they cannot lead a decent life. I repeat. 1. Although it was raining, I had to go there. Though he reads more, he cannot make a good result. 3. Though I called her repeatedly, she did not respond. 4. Though they played well, they lost the game. Though the farmers work hard, they cannot lead a decent life. Next, I have written sentences on as or since. As or since express reason. First one is reason clause and next one is effect clause. As they grew tired, they took rest. Here, this verb grew is past tense, so effect clause take took past tense. Since he takes exercise, he is fit. So, this is present tense and this is also present tense. As the Bengalis are braver than the Pakistani, they won the battle. Now I am going next page. I have written sentences on as or as if. As or as if expresses imaginary meaning, not it actually. First one, she talks as though she were a maid. She were a maid. Really, she were not a maid. It is imaginary. B. You told us as if you had seen it. Notice well, this verb is past tense and as if you had to use present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, sign of present perfect tense. C. He donates money as though he were a very rich man. D. They started so fast as if they had reached earlier. She speaks English as if he were an English. I repeat, she talks as though she were a maid. You told us as if you had seen it. He donates money as though he were a very rich man. They started so fast as if they had reached earlier. She speaks English as if she were an English. I am written down some sentences on no sooner had then hardly had when before scarcely had when before. Notice well. No sooner had they started than it rained heavily. Here are two clauses. First one is action clause and second one is reaction clause. No sooner had they started than it rained heavily. Before then it called action clause and it rained heavily, it is called reaction clause. Hardly had they seen us when they ran away. Scarcely had we reached the station before the train left. Another sentence is, no sooner had we planted good saplings than we started to get good production. Hardly had they joined the party before we welcomed them. Again, no sooner had we planted good saplings than we started to get good production. Hardly had they joined the party before we welcomed them. Lest. Notice well, lest is a negative sense word, so we should not use not or no after lest. There are also two clauses. First one is precaution clause and second one is objective clause. A. Take the umbrella. Precaution clause. Lest you should might get wet. Objective clause. B. He took good preparation for exam lest he might secure poor grade. C. The doctor gave good treatment to the patient lest he or she should get worse. D. She cares the servant lest he should go away. E. We walked carefully lest we might fall down. I repeat. Take the umbrella lest you should or might get wet. B. He took good preparation for the exam lest he might secure poor grade. C. The doctor gave good treatment to the patient lest he or she get worse. She cares the servant lest he should go away. We walked carefully lest we might fall down. This is the end of the class. Thank you very much. See you later again.